Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a live chat room to your Wix site. This is a fantastic way to create real-time communication with your visitors, whether you're building a community, hosting discussions, or simply making your site more interactive. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First things first, head over to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, you'll see a left navigation menu with several options. Look for the option labeled Site and Mobile App and click on it. A drop-down selection will appear with a few choices. From this menu, go ahead and click on Website. This takes you directly to the management area for your site. Now you'll be on a page showing your website settings. Take a quick moment here to make sure that this is actually the website you want to add a chat room to, especially if you manage multiple sites under your account. It's always good to double-check before making changes. From this page, locate the Design Site button. You'll typically find it at the top part of your screen, usually beside a pen icon. This button is your gateway to editing and customizing your site's layout and features. Click on it to move forward. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to designing and adding functionality to your site. From here, look over to the left navigation panel and find the Add Apps button. Click on it to open up the App Marketplace where you can browse and install various tools and features. The menu will expand, and under the Add Apps menu, you'll see a search bar at the top. Use this search bar and type in Chat Room, then hit Enter. You'll see different results pop up for various chat room apps available on the Wix Marketplace. There are a few options to choose from, but for this tutorial, we'll select Rumble Talk Group Chat since it's a chat room that anyone can participate in, making it ideal for open community discussions. Click on it to view more details. You'll be directed to the overview page for Rumble Talk Group Chat. Take some time to scroll down and read through its features and reviews to get a sense of what this app offers and how other users have experienced it. If you're still decided to use this app and it fits your needs, click on the Add to Site button. You'll now be directed to the integration part of the setup. Here you'll see information about what this app requires access to on your site, and you'll need to agree to their terms of use. It's always a good idea to read through these requirements so you understand what permissions you're granting. Once you're ready and comfortable with everything, click on Agree and Add. After clicking that button, a new page will automatically be added to your Wix site with the chat room ready for use. You can now customize its appearance, adjust its settings, and position it wherever you'd like on your site. Your visitors can start chatting right away, creating that interactive experience you were aiming for. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.